Yo, what's good, guys? Producer Mykah here, and today, guys, I'm just gonna be doing a breakdown of the latest song I had with Barry Jhay, titled "Active." In case you haven't listened to that song, it's out on all streaming platforms, so definitely go listen and support your guy. Yeah, and that's basically, the vibe. But for me, what stood out for me is that intro, that nice whistle. And the funny thing, I got this whistle off, TikTok. Feels doing a whistle. I can flip this and turn it into something amazing. So I just extracted that, brought it into FL Studio. Let me try to look for the whistle. Yeah, so you can see the whistle. Very dead, very. It has lots of, because it was not like properly recorded. So I just had to chop it up to fit the timing. So we have this. Then, I added some effect on it, because without this effect, it sounds like. Yeah, I added some auto-tune, some NS to take out the noise, EQ, take out some lows, Q3, just to, do some little cuts here and there. And yeah, we have this. Then the next thing, I layered it with some nice chords, and for the chords, I'm using sky keys. So I have this. Let me just play the chords. Yeah, you can hear the chords. Very nice open chord. And these are the notes. Just moving from the 4 to the 6 to the 5. Okay, so yeah, nice chord. So with that and the whistle, we have this. Yeah, then the next thing, I just added some effects that I got off Splice. Ooh, some nice vocal. So to add that up, it just spice up everything. So we have that with vocal. Nah, I love that vocal, really nice. Then what else? This is also the same chord. Yeah, that's the same chord progression. I felt like we had a nice intro. Then added this shaker. So yeah, you can see how easy this stuff is there. Like, then I think I had on that effect. I think this is also from Splice. Yeah, I love this synth. I've been using it a lot. Yeah, just to beautify, just to make it really interesting. Then then with the vocals from Barry Jhay, just some sweet, nice vocal. And then I just added some snare, just to make that next 4 bar really interesting. So we have this. Yeah, so just some snare, you can see I played around with the velocity right here. So we have this. Then I just cut it out. Yeah, so with some log also. Yeah, so the log after the bang. So I have this. Then pause. Nice. Then with the kick. So just some random kicks here and there. So it's very hard to guess where the kick is gonna drop. I just love most time just putting kicks randomly, because it just makes it interesting. Then and for the kick, I'm using this kick, Mastercraft kick. Then also the bass. Yeah, so we have that. Put that down with our kick. Just give it that low head. Then I just play with it. Yeah, so this is just like plain octave. La, mi, la, mi, la, la, mi, la. Yeah. Then we have I think we added on that. Yeah, they added this snare. Yeah, then then we come to the chorus. Let's play around with some log. So for the log drums, I'm using these presets. I layered like 2 different log drums. So we have on that log drum here. And guys, trust me, that's basically everything that is on this song. Everything. Then I think I just consolidated the drums here, the whole drums, because most times I just love doing like a parallel compression for my drums just to make it really, really punch harder. So I just consolidated that, and we have this. Then with our transition and drum fill, we have this. And when it comes to mixing, right, trust me guys, I don't really do a lot when it comes to mixing. If you can see, I just make sure that I'm selecting the right sounds. You can see most of the insert just have nothing. So once you can select the right sound, do a little bit of gain staging, you're definitely gonna have a very, very nice beat. Right, but let me check on my master whether I have anything. So it's even turned off. I turned off everything because I sent him the stems, so I had to turn off everything. But with my master plan, yeah guys, and that's basically how Active by Barry Jhay was made. Hope you got something from this. Trust me guys, most songs here out there, I can boldly say that now, are not that difficult, man. Just know how to select the right sound, know how to mix your sounds well, and trust me, you're definitely gonna have an amazing banger, an amazing vibe. So also, if you want to be part of the Patreon is a community where you get amazing access to exclusive stuff you will not see out there, FLPs for my tutorials, one shots, sample packs. So you definitely want to be on the Patreon. The link to join the Patreon is going to be in the description of this video, and hope you got something from this. If you did, man, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification, so you definitely get notified when next I post. Thank you guys for watching, and the vibe. See you guys in the next one. Peace.